What if I told you Nokia is back with a smartphone that could outshine the latest iPhone or Galaxy? That's right, Nokia is making a grand comeback, and their new flagship, the Nokia Safari Edge Lite 5G, is here to shake up the smartphone world. Stick around as we dive into its jaw-dropping features, price, and launch date. For decades, Nokia has been a beloved brand, known for its durability and innovation. After a brief hiatus, they're back with a bang, and this isn't just any phone, it's a powerhouse designed to take on the best in the market. Packed with a Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, a mind-blowing 200-megapixel camera, and a massive battery, the Nokia Safari Edge Lite 5G is ready to make waves. So, buckle up, and let's get started. Features of Nokia Safari Edge Lite 5G. Display. The Nokia Safari Edge Lite 5G boasts a massive, 6.9-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display. But that's not all, it also comes with a 360 Hz touch sampling rate, and a buttery-smooth 144 Hz refresh rate. Whether you're gaming or binge-watching your favorite shows, this display is a treat for your eyes. Plus, it's protected by Gorilla Glass Armor Plus, and features an in-display fingerprint sensor for added security. Camera setup. Now, let's talk about the camera, because this is where the Nokia Safari Edge Lite 5G truly shines. It features a quad camera setup, headlined by a 200-megapixel primary sensor. Yes, you read that correctly, 200 megapixels. Alongside this beast, there are 3 additional cameras, to cover all your photography needs. And for selfie lovers, there's a 50-megapixel front-facing camera, that's ready to make your Instagram game stronger than ever. Processor. Under the hood, this smartphone is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, one of the most powerful chipset on the market. Whether you're multitasking, gaming, or editing videos, this phone will handle it all with ease. And guess what? It runs on the latest Android 15 OS, ensuring you get the smoothest and most up-to-date experience. Battery backup. Worried about battery life? Don't be. The Nokia Safari Edge Lite 5G packs a massive 6000 mAh battery, which means you can go all day, without worrying about running out of juice. And when you do need to recharge, it supports 65-watt fast charging, with a Type-C charging port, so you're back to 100% in no time. Price and launch date. Now, let's talk about the most exciting part, the price and launch date. The Nokia Safari Edge Lite 5G is expected to be priced at around $550, making it a serious contender in the flagship smartphone segment. As for the launch date, rumor has it that this beast will hit the market later this year.